bag chasing.
Yeah,
we have 3 man.
That shit cost you sometimes. Fuck love, just want the money sometimes. Drop tears to my brother sometimes. In my head, just be alone sometimes. Yeah, feelings off your chest, that shit cost you sometimes. Fuck love, just want the money sometimes. Drop tears to my brother sometimes.
What's up, y'all? It's Bag Chasing. We have Spring Mayonnaise with my boy.
You already know it's Manny Film.
Manny Film. Spectator, you feel me, film or whatever. We're here today, Bucket on the forges though. Zoom into the forges, you feel me? We out here though, we're gonna have, we're gonna turn it up, all right? All right, bro, we just over here, we walking, we looking around. We about to go see if they sell some beer or something out here, You gotta get turned to hop in the pit, bro. I'll be a little scared, I gotta get loose. All right, man, thank you. Crazy, I ain't gonna lie, like, woo! We had my boy out the window. Hey, did I go crazy or not?
Hey, all I say, you was driving that shit like a motherfucking car, bro.
Yeah, like a car, you feel me? And it's hard. It's hard, but I make it look easy though, you feel me? We're about to go walk around, look, probably grab another drink, get turned up for real,
How crazy we had that drunken madness though?
Bro, Ford waits down in that small ass pit.
We were like, door to door. Hey, instead of black people, what'd I do to you? I moved them.
Man, he in my door, I'm like, I gotta do something bad.
He tried to block me like this. My brother, I said,
at the pit, you know. We had a little time with my boy Junior LTX, you know, Ismail right there. You know, we went crazy. Look at it. We went to the rim. To the rim, baby. We about to swap him real quick though, you know, and hop back in there. We drove it here, hey. No trailer queen. We drove it here, Tell him. We drove it here, bro. You gonna get another drink? Another one? You gonna drive for me?
Man, we did a fucking badass show right now, door to door. That show's badass. I had to throw some little juice, you know, try to sauce him up.
Man, he tried to sauce me up. You know, I had a little reverse, but I couldn't do it. I couldn't do it, bro. Like, my shit was well late, you know?
Hey, just know that last show, I actually pushed him out.
Yeah, no. Hey, no. No, he pushed me. He pushed me,
you
though.
out the pit, though. Remember, too, like, you remember your truck?
Oh, yeah, he did. Yeah, yup. He helped me out last time. You know, it's all love. We know my boy. We be fucking the trucks up, you know.
Come on here, guys. Have some fun.
Have some fun.
We do this for the crowd, for the people,
Yeah.
the ones that come to the show, guys. Like I said, we support those that support back us, guys. So
Exactly.
come on here and have some fun and party, you know.
Yeah, exactly. You know, it's all love out here. We out, you know, show love. Everybody
Guys,
who
make
follow
sure to
us,
go
you know.
and make sure to go and subscribe to my boy Backstation YouTube channel. If you don't, we're gonna go fuck your grandma. She's gonna tag team her ass.
Yeah, God. Yeah, little YouTube video. You know, little volleyball. This Unk right here. It's OG for the trucks. You ain't blow me or nah? Okay. See the sticker though? Okay. Little Unk Fonzo. just got out the pit, bro. Fuck. We just got out with Isma. Look. We driving it home, mind you. We driving it home, bro. Look. Oh, the little wall champ. Ain't nothing, though. About to get a new bed, though. You know, new bed. We're going to do a new color on it, though. We're going to do a new color on it. We're going to do a new color. I don't know what should we do, though. You know, I'm indecisive, you know?
A todos nos hace reír, no me molestes nomás, esto apenas va a comenzar. Aquí nadie mira el reloj, no paramos y sale el sol. Prende otro ya se acabó. De Sinaloa, dice.
Water! We don't want that. We want beer.
Can I get a beer? Can I get a beer?
$5? Hey, nigga that made me want to drive a truck. Nigga that. I drove my truck here. I gotta drive back like that. And he my rim is 6K, bro.
Since you fat me, I'm fat you right now. I'm gonna get my truck. Then just keep it cool. Come on, let's go.
Cab is cooked. Fuck the door, fuck the bed. It's a cab.
You thought you were doing something, but you weren't doing no shit. I was just one-legged, you know. This shit even run. It's over. No, but like, look. Yeah, I drove my truck here. The only thing is, we just want to turn them with nobody. That's it. Look, but you can't have me tripping. That's what I'm thinking with you. I know that's what you did. I told you, come on, you're correct. Come on, correct. No, that's what I hopped in with you.
Aquí andamos y andamos aquí en Vallejo y tú sabes, andamos con el compa Sky. Y anda valiendo verga, güey, los manejadores, güey.
It don't matter. I didn't hit you. Did I hit y'all first or not? Lo que pasó. Yo le pegué la droga.
I don't know y'all, with all due respect, the owner of the whole fairgrounds is gonna shut this shit down. Y'all don't chill out, bro. Hey, y'all wanna get this shit shut down, you wanna shake it off on the same, bro. Take it out.
We was trying to go crazy. We fucked it up. What else can we do though? Look. The door, bruh. Chalk. What you gotta say? What you think?
Man,
Overly chalk. Look at
the
my
cab.
exhaust. No, the cab, I got a new one coming. This, I didn't care about nothing but the front. Don't even open it.
What happened?
Bro, my rim, though. Bye, like, what's going on with that, dude? It's okay. It's pape. I'm about to get new 4Gs coming. Hey, where you going? Where you going, bro?
I'll give you a bad for them now. That happened, bro. I'll give you a bad now. That happened as fuck. I need him now.
Overly chalk. I need my jack, bro. I gotta drive home too. I gotta drive home too. Look. You ready? Yeah or no?
I'm going to church.
Nah.
They were doing that fucking your door? You know what they do? Look. What? I would have done this.
I've been fucking
got him in a chokehold. Goon would have poked the guy's eyes out.
I was right there too. I was like tripping. Then police came. Nah, fuck that. Police came. You don't like it now.
I like that bird, yeah.
What's your Instagram?
Tell him what he wants, bro.
What you want? My Instagram?
Yeah, come on, give him the marker. That Tony, look at that Tony.
Okay, Tony Montana.
Okay, bag chasing on the 4Gs. More for you.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Oh,
You used to have to, my boy,
I would have to buy you the phone,
new
please.
screen right now. You know that nigga be little like this.
Yeah, brother. I see you going crazy today.
Yeah, bro, we gotta
Pop it up, kid.
All right, bro. Look, we made it back. This is how it looks. Let's check it out real quick. Come on. Look, this side is a little fucked up. We lost that. We lost that. That somehow made it. We just bought these from my boy Chris. One made it. But look, this is the aftermath. Look, 4G still on. This is new addition to the little hit. All right. Ooh! This hurts me a little more. But what y'all think? Should we fix it? Should we leave the door like that? What y'all? Obviously, I'm gonna try to fix it, you know. But I don't know. I feel like it gives it a little character, maybe, you know. But I'm gonna do a new rap though, so I gotta stay tuned for that. You know, subscribe, comment, like we're gonna try to give y'all the best content we can. Went crazy. I drank a little too much, but we made it. We home. That's all that matters.
All right. Feelings off your chest, that shit